today's video I will share with you why I have decided to add some more Tezos into my crypto portfolio. Actually, Tezos was the very first cryptocurrency I ever bought, and I really like the idea behind the Tezos. I like the community. I think there is a great potential in it because it allows staking. And I personally find staking to be the future of the cryptocurrencies because obviously it's super easy to earn passive income when you are staking cryptocurrencies. But I will not go into there. I will talk about the Tezos and my current investment. Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov and welcome to our trading channel. I'm very happy to have you watching this video, and I will share with you why I decided to add some more Tezos into my portfolio. So if I show you exactly what I've done, I will open the Crypto.com app. And if you look at my account where I have the short-term investments and I have the cryptos that I stake, you will see that the Tezos has been a little bit on negative because I have bought it exactly on the 9th of March and I have bought 100 pieces of Tezos, and at this moment the price was $459.93, or we can say it was at $460. Alright, so I have decided to buy around $400 of Tezos. And if you already have watched some of my courses or other videos on YouTube, you will know that I never put all of the money that I have prepared as an investment for one asset into one position or one entry, one time purchase. Okay, I usually divide it in pieces. So for example, if I have prepared 1,200, which is currently what I have prepared for Tezos, then I will purchase just for 400. If it drops more, I will buy more. Probably you have heard many times buy the dips. And this is usually the strategy that I follow, but this time I didn't take these lows right here, which happened at the beginning of March, at the end of February, but I waited the Tezos to break the resistance of 450, which was a strong resistance in August 2020, and I really don't feel comfortable buying below a resistance line. So that's why I just waited a little bit to break the 450. I bought it at 460. We'll see where it goes. If it drops, I'm happy because I will buy more on a lower price. I will have a better average price. If it drops more, I will buy the third piece and I will have even a better average price. And this is the kind of mindset I feel comfortable with, because most people, what happens, especially the beginners, is they buy a crypto or an asset, stocks, doesn't matter what it is. When it goes on positive, they are happy, but they regret why I didn't buy more. If it drops, oh, they panic. They tend to panic. This is how the market crashed in 2018, right? Because the people panic, they will lose everything, they sold. So many people have bought the Bitcoin at 17, 18, 19,000 and they have sold later on a much lower price because they have panicked, and that's a normal human feeling. But if you prepare your mindset in a way that you are happy when the price drops because you will buy more, then you will feel comfortable at any moment, okay? Because buying the Tezos at 460 is relatively high price from where the Tezos was, let's say, in the last 1 year. But if it drops, I will buy more. Usually I buy more if the price drops with 25%. If it drops with another 25%, I will buy more and I will have much better average price compared to if I buy the whole thing right now. Okay, if the price goes up, alright, awesome. But if the price goes down, oops, I won't be able to improve my average price. Now, where I see the price of Tezos, I personally think that Tezos is being depreciated compared to some other cryptos that did so well for no reason, but that's my personal opinion, so it doesn't really matter. But because Tezos is one of the most popular assets for staking, I have recorded a video about staking Tezos on the Ledger Live, you can check it out. And since I strongly believe that the proof of stake will be the future and cryptocurrencies, I think all the cryptocurrencies like Tezos, Cardano and the others that are available for staking on many wallets, on many websites, on many exchanges, more and more people will invest, because in the longer term the people invest into cryptocurrencies not only to store value or to solve the huge inflation that we have nowadays, but as well to earn passive income. Alright, and that's the reason I have recorded one of the first online courses for crypto staking, which you can find in the description below. And there I have demonstrated different methods of crypto staking, because I personally believe, and I will be investing more into assets and cryptocurrencies that I can stake easily and securely on some of my wallets and exchanges. And if I look into the short term, and if the Bitcoin keeps being bullish and reaching new record highs, I think that Tezos has a huge potential of reaching $10 in 2021 and 15 to 20 in the next few years. In the long term, I feel the staking cryptocurrencies will really go to the moon, and Tezos is one of those. So I personally feel like keeping Tezos for a longer term investment and staking it works, because prices like $100, $200, even $1,000 are more than realistic for me for the Tezos, but that's like really in the long term. And one more time, this is because first I find the Tezos very depreciated, second because the staking cryptocurrencies are the future out there, and the investors will look into those more and more because of the passive incomes and the high interest rates that some of the wallets and exchanges offer, that are much more compared to what the banks will offer those investors if they keep millions and billions of dollars. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about Tezos in the comments below. What is your price prediction? How you feel about staking Tezos? Are you doing it? Where you're doing it? So this video will be more useful for everyone. And if you have any questions, let me know. I do my best to answer all of the questions in my videos, on my YouTube channel, on my online courses, in the forum, anywhere you feel comfortable. And if you have enjoyed the video, thumbs up, and I will see you guys in another video. Cheers, bye!